Alright, we got another one, a Honda 400 Rancher automatic. Wouldn't start. The guy took the shift motor off instead of the starter motor and took it apart to get it unplugged. So got a new one of those. They brought me a starter for it. Got an oil change, check the fan, check all the fluids, stuff like that. Cause it's just basically a hunting vehicle. But you can tell I'm not in my building today because I have too much crap in there at the moment, and I went for parts and other stuff. So we're out here just doing what I can. Alright, so we got the new shift motor on. It's not a Honda brand, but hopefully it'll work. Can't test it out because it won't start because testing my little relay up here, getting power of it like that last four-wheeler had down the starter. The starter's all the way down here. It's gonna be the air box and all that crap now. Starters look the same, but there's something different about them. Look for part 2 for what's going on.